There's no place like home. And with the right green heating and insulation products, you can make it more energy efficient and cozier. To help you make more informed decisions about which green heating or insulation products best meet your needs, the Competition and Markets Authority has published advice to help guide you through the journey and to highlight your main consumer rights. Before you buy, know your budget and understand your home's unique needs. Green heating and insulation products come with various features, so research is key. Check the government website to see if you're eligible for any funding to help save costs. Check consumer advice bodies and independent sources to compare products and features. Always fact-check any claims and ask installers questions. They should be able to explain their products in words you can understand. And check to see if you need to inform your home insurer, mortgage provider, or local authority about any installations you are making. Installation. Find an installer certified by trusted schemes like MCS and Trustmark. Try to get a few quotes, 3 is best, and make sure you consider any maintenance and running costs. Understand the installation process and potential disruptions. The installer should give you a written contract that includes the total price, timeline, and what you're getting. Make sure you're happy with everything before you sign, and remember to check your cancellation rights. After installation, the installer should show you how the product works and give you any instruction manuals. Familiarise yourself with these. Make sure you understand any warranties and guarantees and what you need to do to maintain them. In case of issues, contact the installer first. If unresolved, reach out to any certification scheme that the installer belongs to, like MCS or Trustmark, for assistance. Keeping your home warm and more energy efficient is easier with the right information. Choose a trusted installer, check if you are eligible for government funding, and know your consumer rights. Brought to you by the Competition and Markets Authority.